Make a double click on the JDK. Yeah, it's a direct installation. Click on next. Next. Yeah. The Java installation, it will take some time, hardly 4 to 5 minutes, depending upon the laptop speed. Yeah, now click on next. Now click on close. And then we have to restart our machine so that the Java will get refreshed. And the next, we have to do the installation for Oracle XE. So make a double click on the Oracle XE. Make a double click on disk 1. Make a double click on setup. Now it has been started. Now click on next. I accept, and then click on next. Next, without changing any path. Yeah, click on next. Here you have to give the password. So give the password like admin, capital ADMIN, capital ADMIN. Again, confirm password the same, capital ADMIN. Now click on next. Now hold on. So here we require these details, and these details will be utilized while we will install the Informatica. So take a picture of the same from your mobile, and now click on install. Now you can see the installation has begun. And after some time you will get the notification that installation has been successful. Then we have to do the installation for the SQL developer. Now the Oracle installation has been done. Now we are going to install the SQL developer. And before installing the SQL developer, we have to restart our machine. Now make a double click on the SQL developer. and then make a double click again. Make a double click on the second last icon, that is the setup, second last, SQL Developer. After clicking on next, you will get this type of icon. So here you have to click on no and then let it begin. So there you can see the SQL Developer is getting open. So here we will do the some installation and configuration part. Here we will create the user. Here we will configure the admin, and then accordingly we will go for the installation of the Informatica. So here untick the allow automated users reporting to the Oracle, and then click on OK. Now make a single click on the left color green color plus icon, left side green color plus icon. Yeah.
Are you recording, Vishnu?
Yes. Now here in the connection name, just mention admin, capital ADMIN. In the username, just mention system, SYSTEM. And the password is the same password which we had given during the installation of the Oracle, that is capital ADMIN. And then click on test very down. So here you can see the status as success at the left down. Okay, now click on connect. Here you can see the admin has been created at the very left side. Now make a single click on the, yeah, here admin got opened. Now I'll just mention alter user HR identified by HR account unlock. No, before the semicolon, account unlock. Semicolon and execute the command. Again, you have to mention grant in the next line. Grant connect comma resource comma DBA to HR. To HR. Semicolon and execute it. Again, make a single click on the green color plus icon left top. Here you can mention the connection name as Oracle underscore SRC. Oracle underscore SRC. And then the username as HR. Password HR. And again, click on test. Here connection got success. Now click on connect. So here you can see the Oracle SRC has been created and the admin has been created. Now again come back to the admin. Yeah. Here at the very center also the admin SQL syntax page is open. Bit more up. Yes, make a single click on the same and here just mention commit. In the next line commit semicolon and execute it. Now the Oracle developer installation and configuration has been successful. The next we have to do the installation for the Informatica, and before that we have to restart our machine again. Now make a double click on the part 1. Yeah, here only. Again make a double click on part 1. Make a right click on DAW system 64 and open with WinZip file. Here we are going to extract the same, the zipped file.